Sakpaseo. So in this video that I am so incredibly proud of, I was able to draw. I'm just gonna show you because I'm so proud of it. Oh, it's so bright. So bright. Oh, I guess you're just gonna have to watch the video. So in this video, I drew happy, sad, and angry. I'm trying to practice expressions. So if you wanna watch and probably pick up on my bad habits, continue watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm just making different columns. And then I'll put happy, sad. That's my handwriting. Don't laugh at me. Angry. And we're gonna work on expressions today. First one we're gonna draw is happy. So let's do. I'm gonna start with a circle. I guess I'll do. She'll kind of be tilting her head. So I always start with a circle now. I'm practicing my shapes. And the direction of her head is where the line is. So she's kind of looking up. Now we can add where the middle of her face is. So that's gonna be here. And this is where her chin stops. Okay, so if you guys are following along, that's basically how I do. Okay, so now that's her chin, right? And then over here is her ear, but I don't think we're gonna go that far. I don't think we're gonna worry about that too much. But yeah. So now we got like the shape of her face. I actually don't have a reference of her whole head, so we're just gonna wing it. I'm not gonna go all out and draw every detail because we're just drawing the expression. Matter of fact, this is where her nose is and her lips. So that's her cheek. And then her like brow area. Now we formed a face. So I'm gonna erase all the little tiny details so we can start her expression. Okay, right off the bat, I'm gonna do her eyebrows because I love eyebrows. I wish I had eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just gonna make them look neutral. Like, I'm not gonna angle them in any way because I feel like it'll either make her look evil if she's laughing or like creepy. So I'm gonna keep it straight. You know what I mean? And now, so I think all the expression is gonna come from her eyes. I guess when you're laughing, your eyes kind of squint. Starting it like this. Okay. I don't even know if you can see that. But see how she's kind of like squinting? Yeah, okay, good. And then there's like a nose. We'll do that. Some pupils. And they smile. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever drawn someone's mouth opened. So I don't know if we're doing that. I don't know if we're gonna do that today. Let me see. We'll do kinda open. I should be using the other eraser because this one's ruining the Yay, she looks happier now. How cute is she? This is her. This is a close-up. Let's do a little bit of shadow on her neck since we drew a neck. Give her some eyelashes. Oh, she looks even cuter with eyelashes. All right, so I added eyelashes, so that's how that looks. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. I feel like she deserves curls. You know, like, deserve curls. Who deserves curls? What am I even saying? Moving on, we're gonna do sad. If you guys are doing this with me, we can do this. Remember, start with a circle. Bruh. Another circle. I guess she's gonna look straight. She's gonna look like directly, but I'm gonna have her like this. Yeah, I'll do that. That's fine. Let's give her... Hopefully I can do a similar chin. Her ears are here. Okay, this is her lips, her nose. So I'm drawing her head, the rest of her head, her skull, I guess. Okay, so when somebody's sad, a lot of times their eyebrows go like this. You know how your eyebrows are like this? I don't have eyebrows to even show you because these are like freaking thin as hell. But eyebrows are like this typically. When you're sad, it goes like this. When you're angry, it goes like this. So I'm gonna make her eyebrows go like this. I'm just drawing rectangles for now. That's one eyebrow. And then the other eyebrow. Okay, I think this is what I was trying to go for. Yeah, that looks more sad to me. And I haven't even added like the rest of her features yet. I'm trying to look at the reference I have, but I keep wanting to like stray away. There. Now she has a nose. Give her the crease under her eye also. I'm not gonna make her cry because then, I don't know, it sounds too depressing for me. My little anime cheek thing. I'm gonna make her lips, instead of like curving it up, I'm gonna see if I can curve it down. So that way she looks more sad. Yeah, like something like that. Okay. I have too many lines on her face still. There. Does she look sad? I think she looks sad. I love her. Let's give her a neck. Okay, that's the shadow under her neck. Awesome. We got happy and we got sad. So we'll do... I feel like I should have made the circle bigger. It's a little tricky. Like I'm good at like almost side profiles like these, and then I can't do like front facing apparently either. Like what the heck? Front facing is hard, I think. But angles work. Angles are easy. All right, let's give her some ears. Gonna put the ears here like this. Okay, so now she has ears. So she has a head. It looks good. I'm gonna erase all the extra stuff. This is her eyebrow area. This is her nose. This is her lips. This is gonna be her eyes. That's how I'm doing it. Oh, I need the middle line. So eyebrows kind of curve a little bit also, it looks like that. Oh, that's an angry. Oh, it needs to come down more. Yeah, like this. Yeah, she looks pissed already. What? All right, now we have eyebrows, okay? Now we're gonna draw her eyes, which is supposed to be really close to like her eyebrows since she's like angry. Yeah, that looks good. Her eyeball, or her eye pupil. And she's all set. She's actually like cute angry, in my opinion. When you're angry, what do you do with your lips? Is it like neutral? Let's pretend it's neutral. Okay, that looks good. Okay. That looks pretty angry, right? I think that looks pretty angry. And like a little bit of shadow on her neck. Okay, I think she's good. I'm like super happy with how like that turned out. Oh yeah, I forgot to give her like wrinkles like that. Yeah, we did it. We did it. She looks so good. So we have our happy, our sad, our angry. Which one are you? Which one are you this week? I can tell you which one I am. But you've probably heard it a million times by now, so we're not even gonna go there. All right, guys, so I finished my little project. We're ready to show off your projects. So let's head on.